Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Mountain, Her Sea, chapter 60. So here it is. Let's read the story. Stay up all night and surf the internet. It's okay, but it's best not to stay up all night frequently and pay attention to safety. When I was in junior high school, went out all night, was not afraid. Chitang said to Yuyu, right now Yuyu, he was really concerned. Chitang will go back again. Otherwise, if you want to go someday, I will go with you. What? Chitang said to her. Chitang, she seems to be surprised. Well, Yuyu, is the person who always study. Now, we'll go out for her. Traveling all night? Did I hear you right? Chitang said to Yuyu. Right now, Yuyu. I mean, if you want to go out all night, I'll go with you. Yuyu, she looks really serious. Well, this time, she's not joking. She was really convinced she wanted to stay with Chitang. Okay, why not go tonight? I wander out of school to stay up all night. At an internet cafe, it seems like a lot of fun. Turns out, all in room 501 is going out tonight. Company Yuyu and Chitang, her friends. What about that internet cafe? How is the environment? Will you sleep out of school? It's been a long time since I stayed up all night. Every one of them was talking. We are not yet adults. Can we really enter in the internet cafe? We won't be kicked out, right? Now, her friends is doubting. Will anyone else check it out? Right now, the class president. Look at Yuyu. What happened to Yuyu? Classmate is asking the president. Well, of course, Yuyu. You might really overprotected of Chitang again. Seeing how calm she looked, there was no need to be afraid. Yuyu didn't care, let alone us. When you say that, you really don't feel nervous anymore. One of the classmates said. But right now, this man was looking at Yuyu. Well, probably, he was thinking, Yef, I also want to see Yuyu looking nervous and scared. Well, Yuyu, right now, she looks really calm and collected. Well, Chitang was there. Of course, there is no one. What happened to all of them? Oh, really? Want to watch with Yuyu? Right now, this man seems a little bit sarcastic. But right now, Chitang went to the front desk, network management. I will open 6 machine. 6 of them use one each other. Chitang is the one who's paying for them. I'm playing games. If you need anything, just call me. Now, she's been talking to Yuyu. Yuyu said to her, okay. Well, Yuyu suddenly got busy. For Chitang and her friends, all of them are different. Sam is watching. Chitang and her friend playing games on the computer. Well, what about Yuyu? What is she doing? It turns out, bringing study notes. She was still surfing on the net. Well, this girl, she was studying. She only wants to see Chitang. Well, maybe she knows Chitang will stay here late. That's why she wants to push herself to be with her right now. Chitang is asking her, what are you looking at? Yuyu, she really got busy. She really searching about the homework. Didn't Chang mess us last time that we want to do in the future? I think it's time to think about school, the future professional issue. Oh, this girl. Now, she really wants to choose what she wants to do in the future. You, right now, she really portraying herself together with Chitang in the future. Looking into it, right now, Chitang, she suddenly forced herself because she knows Yuyu will ask her again. Right now, Chitang friend, look really at ease. Well, probably, was thinking about Yuyu again. What is the relationship of the two of them? Start another round. I'll take you to eat chicken. If your skills are so bad, don't imitate other people's method of raising girls. Right now, Chitang wants to scold her friend. But, this man, you are my sister, can you take me to eat chicken? This man know how to cook. That's why right now, he was acting like a boy. Well, for Chitang, time is clicking. Now, they're fast 12 on midnight. Well, Chitang and her friends, they really want to stay for so long. Because right now, there's no one Initiating, I need to go home. Are you hungry? Yuyu said okay. What do you want to eat? Kanto cooking. Yuyu said to her. Well, the classmate seems to be busy. All of them are doing things in separate matters. Looking into Yuyu. I want sausage. I will go with you. Now, her friends are still energetic. But Yuyu, she really got serious. Chitang and her friends going out to buy some food and relax. Yuyu, he was looking into them. Well, did she really get jealous? Looking at her, her eyes is not moving. It was only focusing. Her deskmate is indeed to stay up all night. Like us, you don't even play. Right now, Chitang said don't seek again. Sudden switch right now. Well, for Chitang, of course, she don't want anyone to gossip around Yuyu all the time. That's why right now she'd want to protect her. Student boy, don't close the door so hard. The old man is scolding the boy. Friend seems to be hungry. All her friends feeding her. Now, she has a plastic bag full of foods that they're going to eat now. Well, it seems that really energetic, but after eating, the two suddenly falls asleep. It's around 2 a.m. and now their classmate really falls asleep. For Chitang, Yuyu, her friend, were still awake. It was next day. After spending so much time at the internet cafe, finally it was morning. Well, what happened to them? Turns out this time it's too tiring to stay up all night. Since you were in junior high school, squad leader will stay with us a few more times and you will get used to it. Right now, Chitang, she grabbed hands of Yuyu. Yuyu said, "What's wrong?" She was really surprised by the action of Chitang. Right now, Chitang, she moved closer to her and said to her, "If Meng Xinghua comes to see you, don't pay attention to him. Don't talk to him either." Right now, Chitang, I want to inform Yuyu about trivial things about her friend. Yuyu said to her, "Okay, finally, agreed to them." But right now, turns out everything went well. His collective all-night stay, dormitory 501 ended, everyone sleeping heavily on Saturday. Well, of course, all six of them are really tired. Well, let's hope we will never do that again. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!